Hello everyone, I'm Leanne and you're watching my channel Crafty Kitty Vintage. I have an unboxing to do for you today. I have been holding on to way too many packages. I was out of town for a while and been busy before and after that. So I'm finally getting to it and I'm excited to get these stacks of boxes out of here. So um, without further ado, I will be opening a box from Ancestral Beginnings. That's Mary. I recently did a show with her on my channel, and it was a lot of fun, and I enjoy her and the variety of items that she has so much. And this is a gift from Renee. Her name is Apple Martini. A lot of you probably know her from the chat. She's hilarious. She's so sweet and thoughtful as well. And I don't remember if I was there for this or not. Oh, I think I was, because this item does look familiar. It is so kind and thoughtful of her. She is a wonderful supporter of mine already, and then she goes and sends me a gift, and that is just very, very kind. I want to be a gracious gift recipient, but it is not necessary at all. And but just very, very kind. Oh yes, it's, I believe, a single shaker. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this. With rhinestone eyes and the way it's painted, the fact that it's a black cat, it's so sleek. I could care less if it has a mate because it is a beautiful figurine. Wow. And it's the redware. I love it. Thanks so much. That is so cute. Speaking of black cats, I'll just bring this up right now because why not? I have two Avon bottles that are black cats, and I bought them as a set, intending to sell one in our recent Avon sale because they are Avon bottles that I had with Picasso Cat on her channel, and I didn't open the box because I was saving the boxes for this unboxing video, not realizing these were not from um, a YouTube seller that I was going to highlight. So, in fact, those were from something I bought on eBay. So, anyway, I have those. I'm going to be selling one. So if you're interested, let me know. But I was disappointed in myself because I had intended to show that at the Avon sale. Anyway, here's something else that I purchased from Mary at Ancestral Beginnings, and that is these awesome Homeco butterflies. They are gold and so cute. I cannot wait to find a place to put these. We have a lot of blank walls in our house because we have a kind of a vertical house, so lots of wall space, which is great. And I like these light and airy feeling nature type items. So these are awesome. These are just perfect, Mary. Thank you so much. You'll find Mary at her channel Ancestral Beginnings, and you can find that linked in the description of this video. Let's see what Mary included with the items here. I love these little cards. Mary is very crafty. So I imagine she has lots of old cards like this. Oh, this is her business card. That is so sweet. Love that. Old card. I love these. I might just have to make like a junk journal with just all these old cards, these playing cards that are so cute. Awesome. Thank you so much, Mary. Okay, next I have YunStargirl, Caroline. She sent me a package, and let's see what we have. I kind of pre-opened some of these, at least open the box so I could get to it quicker. Oh, she thanks me for being part of the summer ween. That was really fun. It was an exciting collab for me, a way to kind of get my channel name out there, and as well as see other people's channels and get to know other sellers in the community. I really enjoyed that. Oh yes, that's right. So it's been so long since I ordered these things. So this is a vintage angel tree topper, and I was telling her I'd recently purchased another one, but I needed to get this one for maybe a second tree, or of course these can stand alone too. Oh, I love this. This looks so much like one we had when I was growing up. Isn't she awesome? I love that side swept hair. Wow, she's beautiful, even more stunning in person with those little applique flowers. Oh, thank you so much, Caroline. You are a delight, truly. You're always thanking everybody for their support, and really, I need to thank you because you are just a beautiful person and so talented, and I sincerely mean that. Thank you so much. I love that. I love Caroline. Oh, I want to mention too, another of my favorite resellers. That's Angie from The Real Housewife. She sent me some beautiful goodies. I had ordered some pins from her. She has beautiful jewelry that she makes as well as resells. These are beautiful brooches. And then this one here, I love figural brooches that are bugs, especially for Halloween. But this is so cute, little green ladybug. I love it. I can't get enough. And then she sent me some special treats like this necklace she sent me. She's so kind and generous. And then she had some others that I've set aside already, but I just wanted to mention her. Thank you so much, Angie. And let's see what else. We have Ancestral Beginnings. No, I already mentioned Ancestral Beginnings. This is AntiqueAgenda. This is Heather Elizabeth, who you may know also. I love her. She's my BFF. Hands off, everybody. Don't touch. She's mine. What I mean is she's very special to me, and I will let other people enjoy her as well. So I remembered that I had ordered this magazine from her, and I think, gosh, was it in the Summerween or was it a sale after that? I think it was a sale that she did with Aaron Proctor, an ephemera sale. Anyway, I was wondering where was that magazine? I wanted to use it for decor for Halloween, and sure enough, here it is. Because it was in the package pile that I had saved up to do this unboxing for. But this is a publication that came out for people involved in magic or magic enthusiasts. And I wanted this particular one, the October edition, because of the black cats and the color on the book. So I was happy to get that magazine. And then a couple books, and I'll show you those. Heather has an amazing eye for decorating. You can see in the background of her videos, just her home is gorgeous. And then the things that she picks out on her shop-alongs to show are amazing. The magic pot. And this is the one I really wanted for the graphics on the front, the crows of Pear Blossom. Those are fun. Thank you so much, Heather Elizabeth. So please check out her channel. Again, it's AntiqueAgenda. She has beautiful items. Okay, let's see. What do we have next? I have a package from Patdoodles or Patdoodles. That is Miss Pat to us. We all know and love Miss Pat. This is something that I ordered a while back. Again, So I'm really glad I'm finally getting to it because I have started decorating for Halloween already. And these are some Halloween items, specifically some towels, kitchen towels. And here's another. That's another towel. Okay, just that one towel. Let's see what else we have here. I love this kind of cellophane wrap. It's very easy to use when you're packing, and then you can unwrap it quite easily. It sticks to itself, but not to you. So you don't end up with tape stuck to yourself, which is really nice. Okay, let's see what we have. I don't remember. All right. Oh, yes. These are cute. Look at those. Those are so fun. I know that they're modern, but I don't mind one bit because they are too darn cute. Another great decor item for Halloween. Awesome. I didn't think about it. I didn't really have any black cats until now. And I have this. I think, did I win this? I don't remember. I don't remember if I won a drawing or if I ordered this. Well, it's too cute. I'm just getting some strings off here. Show you there. Yeah, that's really cute. All right, I'm going to decorate with that too. It's going to fit in just fine with my decor. Well, thank you, Pat of Patdoodles, for sending me those great items. And what else? Let's see. I have two more boxes here. This one is from Bridget, the Baker's Daughter, LLC. And I believe it's some kind of planter that I ordered. Awesome. Might be a Morton planter. I'll have to open it and see. Oh, by the way, Heather Elizabeth sent me a really cute pin. It says, "You say witch like it's a bad thing." I love it. All right, I'm trying to open the string without cutting it because I like to save the little strings for crafting. The longer the better. So I want to tell you what's coming up for me. If you've watched the video this far, that is, you'll find out. So I have, I'm filming this on Wednesday, the 21st, but I'm probably going to be putting it out on Thursday, the 22nd. And that is the day I'm having a surgery. It is to repair a hernia that I have had repaired once before. It's an abdominal incisional hernia from a previous emergency surgery that I had back in 2015. I had a hernia repair surgery a year after that because it had already started becoming a hernia, had it fixed, and it started opening again just a year after that. So anyway, I'm finally, after, that was 2017, I knew that it wasn't holding. So it's been a few years that I've been wanting to try again. We're using a new surgeon, and I'm going to be taking more time off this time. Last time I was working full time and also being a caregiver and running around quite a bit. This time I am taking more time off. So you might see me on YouTube, but I won't be probably keeping the same schedule as I have been. So thank you for understanding and your thoughts, and I'm sure it'll go great. And yes, this is so cute. It is a little bird. It is gorgeous, and she even sent me a little air plant to go in it. I love it. Pink is my favorite, and this goes so great because it has little pink tips. Thank you, Bridget. This is wonderful. I love it so much. All right, I think this is my last box. I'm trying to make this quick. I do also want to mention that I have a weekly sale with Sabrina from Simon Says Let's Make a Deal. She and I do Wednesday at 2 o'clock Pacific, which is 5 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm not sure if I will be doing it this coming week with her or not. I feel bad that I had to leave her alone last week because of my trip, and possibly this coming week. But we'll see. We'll see what I can do. This one's from Peggy. Peggy is Thrifty Hippie, and she has wonderful, mostly kind of boho style items. This I thought was super cool. I love it. And if you put some incense in there, I think it's meant to be an ashtray. If you put some incense in there, it comes out. And I thought that would be a fun addition to my Halloween decor. Probably it will end up staying out year round. Oh, I think this was from her summer ween sale. I'm pretty sure it's been that long since I opened boxes. Oh, you should see my room. It's full of stuff, full of packing materials. Oh my gosh, this is the hand. Like this. I'm so excited to add this to my Halloween decor. Snip it here. So that's my weekly show with Sabrina, and I am still, thankfully, working with Kathy from Picasso Cat. She has a show called The Chatty Cathys, and we alternate channels now. Again, she's Picasso Cat. Oh, cool. Look at that. That's a neat hand for rings or whatever. That is cool. Thank you, Peggy, for that as well. And I have two little things here to open left. I wonder if it's salt and peppers. I seem to have been getting a lot of salt and peppers lately. No, it's a little terracotta cat. That is cute. I could paint that black if I wanted to, or I could just leave it natural. Au naturale, as they say. Oh, yeah. This is what looks like a Morton cat, but I don't know if it is. It might be. A little bit older. Isn't that cute? That is so cute. Look at those eyes. With a little bit of crazing. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. All right, so check her out. That's the Thrifty Hippie peg, and I'm going to link everybody in the description portion of this video, and I hope you will check out my friends. And so I just mentioned Kathy's Chatty Kathy sale. Right now I'm not doing a solo sale on my channel. That might change in the future. But I'm really enjoying the collabs that I'm doing, and I appreciate all the invitations to other channels, and I hope to reciprocate. Trying to build my channel up with subscribers before I bring on too many people, but I might change that. And as soon as I'm feeling better after my surgery, I'm going to be working hard to put out more content and just have more fun in general. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care of yourselves and keep smiling. See you next time. Bye-bye.